Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo is back at it. I have this 2017 ProMaster 1500. I'm saying Dodge Ram. Get it? So what happened is that I got the code P0302. You know, that means cylinder number 2, which is right here in the front. Thankfully, it's misfiring. Okay, so it's 1, 2. Okay, so it's this one right here. So for that, as you can see, we have to remove all this, right? Because it's under the manifold, intake manifold, upper. So I changed the spark plugs, all 6. I changed the injector on cylinder number 2. No, I mean the coil number 2. And I road tested and I got it back. I got the 302 again, okay? And P0300, which means random misfire. Okay, so even when I started it, the van, it sounds like it's not even. The engine is not running even, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna cripple, you know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna change the injector, okay? Injector number, cylinder number 2. Alright. For that, first you gotta disconnect the battery. This is what you're gonna need. Okay. 10 ratchet and a little pry bar. You're gonna come through here, driver's side, pop this. Okay. Alright. Of course you gotta spin this, okay, in order to, you know what I'm saying, to remove that cover. Now right here we're gonna disconnect this guy right here. Gotta go with that. Just like that. Okay. Now you can work good. We're gonna do this, but I'll tell you that later. What we're gonna do now, right now, is we're gonna lose this guy. That's a 13mm socket. This guy's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You're gonna use the BT30. Okay. Now, once you remove those on top, the 4 on top, just pull this like that, right? Come on. Now you're gonna do this one, 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 with the same heads over here too. Okay. All right. Now that you remove those, just pull this back. I'll remove it from here. Just like that. It's gonna pop. Don't worry about it if it pops. Now you expose this. Here, 13, and this guy's 10, 10, 10. Same on the other side. 13, 10, 10, 10. All right. And 13 here. Now here you can remove this. Be careful, it's hot though. Or you have to get it out of those holes where the reservoir seats. You know what I'm saying? Now that you remove this, there's a star here. Lose those. Okay. Once you lose those bolts, remove them. You know what I'm saying? This is free. There's a clamp right there. Okay. Loose that so you can remove this whole thing. But for now, this is free though, so just this thing comes like that. Put it to the side. Now you have a better reach. All right. Lose that. And lose this one too. Okay, there's another clamp. There's another clamp over here. Lose that one. Lose this one. Okay. And remove it by parts. Okay. Remove this one. Remove this one. You're not gonna be able to remove this one until you remove the manifold. Okay. Because there's enough space. All right. So do that. Now here, once you remove this one, just squeeze it like that, pull it back. Alright, that's one. That pop. What else here? Just gotta squeeze it. Comes out. Just like that. So it's right here. Disconnect this one, press it, pull it back. Like that. This one too. There you go. This one here. Oops, sorry. If you can't squeeze it, use a lock pick. This one too. Like I said, if you can squeeze it, like pick from behind, lift it, pull it. This thing right here, just pull it up. So you can remove this harness. There's like a T down there. Just pry that. You remove all these wires to the side. Now you're gonna remove this hose. Okay. Just pull it back. Then disconnect this guy. Press it like this, both sides. Bring it out. Press it both sides. Pull it out. Alright. What else? You could disconnect this, but it's gonna stay right there. Okay. Just push it back. Alright. So you have space to hit this. There's 7 in total. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 1 here. You see it? You see it? You see it? This one, okay? Right there. This one, alright? This two, that one, and this one. Alright? Then you got this one. You got this one. Okay. You got this one too. You're gonna have 2 here. Okay, on the other side the same. Alright. That one's missing though. I don't know why. Yeah, pretty much. That's on top. Okay. You can do that now. Then you're gonna have to go to the bottom, and this same bracket has another 2 bolts. Okay, I'll show you later though. But I'm gonna remove those. Alright. I'm gonna set it free now. Okay. Don't forget this hose to pull it back. Okay. Now, you lose all the bolts on top, right? The ones that I just showed you. Remove that hose like I show you. If you come to the side, remove that back a little bit. Move this guy here. Hopefully you see it though. There's a bracket. Yes, this one here and 1 here. Okay, that's 10 millimeter here and here. Okay, I can show you better though. I think you see it. It's right there. No, but that one though, that hole. And then there's another one right under this. That one right there. Alright. 10 millimeter. That's gonna be 10 millimeter. Okay. Then go to the bottom and loose. I'll show you what. Now here at the bottom. Okay. There's a 13 right here, this one, and behind this one there's another one, 13. Okay, the 1, 2 right behind it, just to lose the bracket. Okay, and on the other side it's the same. You see 1 and 2 right behind it, 13 millimeter. Okay, lose those brackets, just lose it a little bit though. You don't have to pull it out the whole thing. This one, yes, because you need to reach the one in the back. The one in the back, just loose it enough so this bracket is like loose on top. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much. Now when you lose those bolts at the bottom, you can move these brackets. You see this one? I'm saying now it's all Gucci here. Don't forget to lose the bolts, alright? Now right here, everything is loose here. Be careful with this though. Okay, slide it out like this. Alright, you see it's loose now. Let me show you. Okay, alright, just remove it, lift it. Okay, it's try to come out. Alright, so once you remove the intake, remove this, so you're not gonna need it now. Remove this guy so you have better space. And then here's the rail. Okay. Alright, and we're gonna do this one right here. Okay, so we gotta lose this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here one, might as well disconnect this. You know what I'm saying? Just push it back like that. Pop. And do it slowly though, okay? Because there's always some pressure, you know what I'm saying? But since we disconnect the battery, it shouldn't be that much. I changed this coil, put new spark plugs, like I said in the beginning, old sets, and got the same trouble code, 302, cylinder 2, misfiring. So check your wires and all of that. If not, you don't see nothing, because I found a lot of hair. You see the hair? You know, the rats, raccoons, whatever, like to sleeping engines. I don't know if they're mechanics though, but they like to sleeping engines, you know what I'm saying? Because they warm, I guess. They tight. So yeah, this is our guy. We do this. Alright, so right here, grab your lock pick, pull this up, this red thing, pull it up, and now you can squeeze it and remove the connector. You need both hands now to disconnect all of them. I'm saying, pull it up, put the red thing up. Okay, the same here on this side, because you're gonna put the whole thing up. Alright, obviously if you don't want to like remove the whole thing, because it's kind of tricky to lift those secure, the red secure, just fuck it, just lift this side, be careful, lift it here, and then enough space to remove this guy. It goes like this. Okay, this might stay down there. Okay, you see the red O-ring. Alright, but the thing is that you have to replace this and this. Alright, this is it. This is the guy. Alright, so If you want to put everything back, just put everything back once you replace this. Hopefully that fits your problem, you know what I'm saying? Because like I said, I changed the coil, I changed the spark plugs in all sets, and yeah, we'll see how it goes from here. Alright, hopefully it's not the cylinder that is messed up by itself, you know what I'm saying, or the camshaft or something. Alright, this is it. Put everything back the way you remove it, you know what I'm saying? Take your time. And that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Support the channel by clicking on the heart that says stands. Give your contribution, you know what I'm saying? Show me your love. And I'll see you in the next one. Axtuo por un. Yo, if you have anything to say, put in the comment box, alright? Axtuo por un. Hatla, boy. Yeah.